Hello, everyone. My name is Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is November 5th, 2022. And don't look now, but crypto is fun again. All of the hard work that we've put in accumulating positions in the past few months is paying off in a huge way. All right. So the name of the game, and I'm going to repeat this as I do during the live streams, during all of my videos, the name of the game is make your entries, make it so that you can keep your entries, right? Be it spot or leverage, margin, whatever, and wait. Make your entries and wait. Do not try to trade these markets on small time frames. You're just going to end up losing. You're going to leave money on the table. Let the small bits of retracements here and there play out, no problem. But what you want to do is take advantage of the larger trend, the high time frame trend, the bull market. Yes, the bull market is here. It's been here, but it hasn't been that conspicuous. But here we go into the analysis. Let's start off with Bitcoin. Hope you're having a great day. All right. You can see here we've put in some Elliott waves, impulsive waves. Okay, and this is what we do in Elliott wave theory when we want to demarcate impulsive advance, okay? Meaning when the price is going in one direction in a major way, either up or down. This is what we do. We put in 5 waves, all right? Price isn't always in this mode, okay? Sometimes it's in consolidation. Sometimes it is in correction, but this is pure impulse, my friends. Here you can see wave 1, wave 2, okay? Following the rules, wave 2 retraces between 382 and 618 of wave 1. Wave 1 is itself a 5-wave move, okay, if you zoom in. And then wave 3 is about 1.618 or twice as long as wave 1. That's exactly what we see here. Wave 4 is a complex correction given wave 2 being relatively simple, okay? So we have all of this, right? Everything we could expect from a run-of-the-mill advance, run-of-the-mill Elliott wave impulse. And now we are basically putting in wave 5. More importantly, or actually just as important, is the fact that we are at a major resistance. Let's go in the 4-hourly time frame, and you can see here price right now is at 21,300 for Bitcoin, and you can see this does represent major resistance level, which is essentially being worked through, right, as a consolidation, as a small time frame consolidation. So what does that tell you? That tells you, my pattern analysis friends, that it's likely that after this small time frame consolidation, we pump massively, breaking this resistance level to the upside, okay? This is really, really big, all right? The previous major consolidation, previous major resistance level was down here. What did we do? We broke it, we retested it as support, and now we're just, rinsing and repeating. That is what characterizes an advanced and impulsive move. You break resistance or support depending on which way you're going, right? Because it works both ways. You retest the broken resistance or support, and then you continue. That's exactly what you should expect. This is why I'm saying you don't want to try to measure, people who are none the wiser will try and short these small moves here. Like, that's just throwing money out the window, right? You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you buy on support and you just let it ride, right? Buy on support and let it ride, because this phenomenon is what we can expect for the next 5, 6, 7 months, okay? This bull run is likely going to go on for quite some time, okay? And Bitcoin right now is at 21.3. We can expect the next major target. I talked about this yesterday during the live stream, so I'm not going to go into detail as to why, but we can expect the next major target. Let's zoom out on the daily time frame and show you one aspect of that analysis. the next major target to be up here around 32K. Okay, why 32K? Quite simply, look at where support and resistance is, okay? And given that we're on the daily time frame and you can't see left that much, meaning you can't see all the previous price action history, we're going to pull up one of our indicators, our VRVP, formerly called the VPVR, Visible Range Volume Profile, and it essentially shows you why. Okay, there's a gulf of price action. There's a gulf of, there's a dearth of orders, buys and sells between 21.3, where we're currently at, right, and this region of 30,000. Okay, so what's likely to happen is that we start running between this region and we break that region, the next major or significant resistance, retest it, and then continue on. Okay, we may retest and dip down a little bit more, but then continue on. So that is the shorthand logic as to why I'm expecting the region of 30,000 and more specifically 32K to be our next target for Bitcoin. Now, given that we are in what we call a bull market, okay, we can expect altcoins to react even more. All right. What's interesting about bull markets and bear markets is whatever Bitcoin does, altcoins are going to do more. So in a bear market, Bitcoin's dumping, altcoins are going to dump more. In a bull market, Bitcoin's pumping, altcoins are going to pump even more. So to that end, you can already see this playing out on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame. We're going to look at the weekly time frame. All right, we're in crypto bubbles here, and you can see the movers. The biggest movers are all of these altcoins, right? They're up double digits very comfortably. All right, this is the top 100 coins. You can see that in the top 200s, right? You're even in triple digits in some instances. Top 300 coins, you can see lots of green band up 160%, right? Top 400 coins, right? So you have this movement to the upside that you just want to get out of the way of because it's just going to keep going, okay? Another thing we can do is we can look at the total cryptocurrency market cap. And this is interesting because during a bull market, given that Bitcoin is going to do its thing and altcoins are going to do their thing, if you want a good idea as to what the entire cryptocurrency market's doing, you probably want to look at this chart, the total crypto market cap, okay? And that shows you basically everything aggregated in this cryptocurrency market. And it shows that, it's similar to what Bitcoin's doing, but you can see a little more detail. So on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that once again, just kind of like Bitcoin, that's why we use Bitcoin as a proxy, right? You're at a major resistance level. And that major resistance level is now being consolidated on. And upon breaking that, you're just going to hit another and another, right? So do you see that? These major resistance levels are what is being targeted quite clearly, right? And you're matriculating up, right, in an impulse, right? So you can see that in the total cryptocurrency market cap. So you know the entire cryptocurrency market is moving. Now, all of this is being done, as you all know, on the backdrop with the DXY, the US dollar currency index, our market mover, moving down impulsively, right? Because the US dollar currency index, or the US dollar, the DXY, the basket of currencies that are traded against the US dollar, need to go down for risk on assets, for cryptos, for stocks, for equities to go up. And so this is exactly what we're seeing on the daily time frame. You can see that the DXY is finally moving impulsively to the downside. And yesterday, right, a trading day, today is not a trading day, today's Saturday. But yesterday, the DXY moved down a record 2%. Okay. So if we continue to see that kind of activity in the DXY, do expect a lot more upside in crypto. All right. So that's pretty much it. You can wait. There's no telling when exactly all of these moves are going to occur, right? You can try and time it on the small time frames, but really the name of the game, my friends, is go on the high time frames, make your entries, and wait. Don't try to overtrade this. Trust me, I've done it. All right. So that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I hope this was helpful. I hope this was useful. If it was, like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you guys on Sunday for the live stream during the open of the DXY at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right. Take care. Bye.
The damage to begin, wreaking havoc on eardrums. We cold getting dumb, getting crazy style. Late night, high division, we be moving with precision. With 10 spots popping off, making some decision about hitting them one at a time with these ill rhymes. My love at the door, free drinks hitting the floor.